Are your top-notch salespeople wasting valuable time on outdated leads? Seeing little to no results? It's time to unlock their full potential with warm transfers. Every 5 minutes, someone in your area initiates an online quote request. Yes, that's every 5 minutes. With Bluewave Data Solutions' state-of-the-art software, we simplified the process like never before. Our highly skilled call center, staffed with certified professionals, immediately reaches out to these prospects, engaging with genuine interest. When the prospect meets your criteria, we'll transfer them directly to you or your sales team. Say goodbye to wasted leads. With just one click, you'll be connected to a prospect eager for a quote. No more cold calling, no more wasted time. Just be ready to write the policy and seal the deal. Join thousands of satisfied insurance agents who've revolutionized their sales process with warm transfers from Bluewave Data Solutions. Ready to see your sales soar? Contact us today and experience the power of warm transfers.